Well, good morning, everybody. This is James Lee with James Lee's Bees, and today we are going to do a forced abscon from the bee tree. If you've been watching the videos, you see that the swarm trap that I set up locally has picked up a swarm. I am going to presume is from the tree. It might not be, but it could be. And our tree cutter determined that he was not able to help out at this point, so we're going to go ahead and do the forced absconsion. And I'm going to assume that the queen is in that swarm box, and that at this point in the timeline, what they have are probably swarm cells inside there. And I may not get a queen when I force them out. So the plan is to evaluate whether the queen is with them once they're out, and then reunite them with the swarm, run them for honey, see if we can pull that off. All right, so I'm gonna get started. We'll get some video throughout the course of the day and see how it goes. Could be an epic failure, could be an epic triumph. Maybe I'll fall off the ladder. I hope that part don't happen, but it's plausible. That's what insurance is for. All right. Well, I didn't get to take as much action footage as I wanted, but I got the nest cleared out. The forced abscon did not work, but I removed all the comb, moved most of the bees, started a fire, put the fire out, put some honeybee gone in there. I imagine either these bees are super desperate because of the honeybee gone, or the queen is actually in the box, but there were just so many bees, I couldn't see her. We'll see what happens. There's the rest of the comb from the inside. That's what's left. Lots of brood, lots of small hive beetles, lots of eggs. So my theory that I had the original queen in my swarm trap is busted. I could smell the honeybee gone down here, so it stinks. But it's been a long day, and I'm done, and I'm hungry. Okay, bye.